Welcome to AppStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Android. To do that, open top panel and look for Bluetooth. Long press Bluetooth icon to go to Bluetooth settings. Turn it on. This will show Bluetooth devices on your phone. To scan new nearby devices, press scan icon. Let it scan the devices. After it finds nearby devices, press gear icon in front of required device. Make sure available and required options are enabled for that device. Then you will be able to connect that device to mobile via Bluetooth. You can also press connect button below screen. If you want to manage Bluetooth settings, go to mobile settings, scroll down, select apps, press filter, select show system apps, OK, search Bluetooth, select Bluetooth, and here see if anything needs permissions here. Click permissions, review these permissions. Make sure you have applied appropriate permissions that you need from this screen. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.